All right, boys. The car's about to head to fabrication. I got my transporter here, about to load the A4 onto the trailer. Let's go.
Tomorrow.
Straps still good? Perfect.
We just stopped here at Royal Farms. Just check the straps before we...
Yeah, make sure everything is strapped down. Oh yeah, for sure.
Pretty much like we did with the Jeep when we pulled off before we hopped on the highway.
Right. Nice and secure. We got it. About to get the car off the trailer. There's no way that I can fit inside the car going through the front door, the driver door. So we're going through the trunk. What's up, boys? Just a little update on the B6. I just happened to be in town. Stopped by RJ's to check out the project, see how everything is going. I can see they welded some brackets down here for me for the intercooler. Finally got the intercooler mounted. They're working on the piping, all the plumbing and stuff like that. So little stuff. They should be done with it in the next couple of days. What's up, boys? Got the car back at the house from fabrication. Everything's looking pretty good. RJ's Custom Piping did great work on this car. Big shout out to them. Can't thank them enough. It's good to see the finished product on everything, how everything came out. Boys, I gotta say, I'm really pumped about this car. Like, this is gonna be one fun machine to drive. Can't wait to see some of you guys around town. If you guys live in North Carolina, or if you guys just follow me on social media and YouTube, this build looks rad. Check out the new B6. Well, it's not mine, boys. It's my neighbor's. Man, the lighting over here is not good. And neither is my phone. But you guys get the idea. You ain't got no lights. Oh my goodness. Oh. You guys get the picture. My neighbor has a B6 S4. Did I say it right? I called it, I thought it had a 180 in it, but he was like, nah, bro, it's a 4.0. I mean, 4.2. I'm like, oh, okay. But yeah. I got it right. It's an S4 B6, 2004 with the 4R motor. He got some tasteful mods coming, so I can't wait to vlog and shoot the process of this build. I never built a 4.2 before, never worked on one. Thanks for the light. But yeah, we'll see this car in the near future, boys. Onto the channel.
3 weeks later.
Let's check that out. How does that look? That looks pretty good.
Yeah, I wish I had my little thing to clean it up a little bit, but I don't have it here. So you might have to clean it up when you get home.
It's all good. It's all good. I'll knock that out. Ooh. Better up close visual.
Actually look pretty good.
I think I probably would have done the same thing because I don't have anything like fancy at my house to like.
I have an actual reamer for stuff like this at home.
Gotcha. All right, boys. My buddy Justin and I, we just got this velocity stack set up on with a Ram air filter. Looks pretty good. Something different. I like it. It's pretty cool. But anyway, I'm about to head out of here, head back home, and go from there. Made it back to the house, boys, after my first shakedown drive for the car, putting some miles on the motor. I think I put about 90 miles on the car within the last couple of hours of driving it around. I still need more miles to break in the motor. However, it runs good, it idles fine. I can't wait until I'm finished putting in all the miles that I need to put on it before I turn it up and we make some power and make some boost. It's gonna be so much fun. Man, I love this car. Also, for those of you that don't know, this is my first build. It's been a long journey with it from before when I had rod knock on the other setup, but it was a stock bottom end KO4 turbo, you know, the basics. But now I can actually say times have changed and stepped my game up a little bit, just a little bit. But I'm not out here to compete with anybody. I'm just doing it because it's what I love to do, and I'm a car enthusiast just like anybody else that's watching this video. So yeah, hope you guys stick around. Hope you guys are loving the content, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next video.